In Crestview, Florida, where the summers can be sweltering and the winters relatively mild, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year is essential. One of the most significant factors affecting your home's energy efficiency is the quality of your windows. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your current one, replacing or upgrading your windows can have a dramatic impact on your energy bills and the overall comfort of your living space. Here's how windows directly influence your home's energy efficiency and what you can do to make sure they're working in your favor. Heat gain and loss through windows. Windows are often the weakest link in a home's insulation. While walls and roofs are solid barriers, windows are large openings that can allow heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer. This is especially relevant in Crestview's climate, where the temperature differences between seasons can be quite significant. During the hot summer months, the sun's rays can cause significant heat gain through your windows. This forces your air conditioning system to work harder, which can increase energy usage and result in higher cooling bills. In winter, without proper insulation, heat from your HVAC system can escape through your windows, making it harder to maintain a warm, cozy home and raising heating costs. To combat this, modern energy-efficient windows are designed with features that minimize heat transfer, such as multiple panes of glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces. These windows keep the indoor temperature stable by blocking out unwanted heat during the summer and retaining warmth during the winter, leading to lower energy consumption and more consistent comfort year-round. The role of double and triple pane glass. One of the most effective ways to improve a window's energy efficiency is by upgrading to double or triple pane glass. Traditional single-pane windows are poor insulators, allowing heat to pass through easily. On the other hand, double and triple-pane windows have multiple layers of glass separated by an insulating air or gas-filled space, such as argon or krypton. These gases are much denser than air, which helps reduce the amount of heat that escapes or enters your home. The additional layers of glass in double or triple pane windows create a thermal barrier that keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This can lead to significant savings on your energy bills, as your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Given the extreme summer temperatures in Crestview, these energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in your cooling costs. Low E coatings for added insulation. Low emissivity. Low E coatings are thin, metallic coatings applied to window glass that reflect infrared heat while allowing visible light to pass through. These coatings are essential for improving a window's energy efficiency, particularly in regions like Crestview, where both heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter can impact energy costs. Low E coatings help keep your home cooler in the summer by reflecting the sun's heat away from the house, preventing it from entering your home through the windows. In the winter, these coatings help retain heat within the home by reflecting the warm air back into the room. This added layer of protection reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, making it easier to maintain the desired temperature inside your home without wasting energy. The importance of proper window sealing. Another factor that affects the energy efficiency of your windows is the quality of the seals around the frames. Over time, the seals on older windows may degrade, allowing air to leak in or out. These drafts can cause temperature fluctuations in your home, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Proper sealing around windows is crucial for preventing air leaks. New windows typically come with advanced weather stripping and tighter seals, which help eliminate drafts and improve energy efficiency. If you have older windows with damaged seals, consider replacing them to ensure your home is properly insulated against the elements. Window frame materials and their impact on insulation. While the glass plays a major role in a window's energy efficiency, the frame material also affects overall performance. Traditional wood frames offer some insulation but require regular maintenance to prevent rotting or warping. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are more energy-efficient options, as they do not conduct heat as easily as wood or metal frames. Vinyl frames are particularly popular due to their excellent insulating properties and low maintenance requirements. Fiberglass frames are even more energy efficient, offering superior strength and durability without the need for regular upkeep. Choosing the right frame material can enhance the energy efficiency of your windows, helping to reduce heating and cooling costs. Natural light and daylighting. One often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is the ability to harness natural light to illuminate your home. With larger windows or windows designed to let in more light, you can reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day. This not only creates a more pleasant and inviting indoor environment but also helps lower your energy consumption. By choosing windows that maximize natural light, you can brighten your home while keeping your electricity bills down. Additionally, windows with low E coatings allow light to come in while blocking out heat, making them ideal for homes in Crestview where you want to enjoy sunlight without overheating your space. Return on investment and long-term saving. While the upfront cost of energy-efficient windows may be higher than traditional windows, the long-term savings are well worth the investment. Upgrading your windows can provide immediate benefits in terms of improved comfort and lower energy bills. Over time, the reduced energy consumption can lead to significant cost savings, making it a smart investment for homeowners in Crestview. Energy-efficient windows also increase the value of your home, as buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer long-term savings on utilities and reduced environmental impact. Whether you plan to sell your home in the future or simply want to improve your living conditions, replacing your windows with energy-efficient models is a financially sound decision. Conclusion. Windows play a pivotal role in the energy efficiency of your Crestview home. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you can reduce heat gain and loss, improve insulation, and lower your energy bills. Features like double and triple pane glass, low E coatings, and proper window sealing all contribute to a more comfortable home and long-term energy savings. Whether you're looking to reduce cooling costs in the hot summer months or maintain warmth during cooler weather, Investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart way to enhance your home's comfort and value.